Hello everybody, how are you? I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is describe the final steps in the adjusting processes. The final step is to determine the correct balance of an account. The final step is to determine the current balance of an account. The final step is to post to trial balance of financial statements can be prepared. The final step is to create an adjusting journals entry to get from setup to once to two setups to confidential levels. The correct answer of the question is the final steps in the adjusting process is to post to trial balance so that the financial statements can be prepared. These steps involve summarizing all the adjustment made during the adjusting processes and updating the account balance accordingly. The trial balance service also tools ensure that the accounting equation assist is equal to liabilities plus equity is balanced. Before creating the financial statements, here's a breakdown of the steps involved: adjusting journals entry throughout the accounting period, and adjusting entries are made to recognized acquired revenue, acquired expense, prepared items, and others necessary adjustments. These entries are recorded to ensure that the financial statements accurately reflect the company financial positions. Adjustment posting the amount of an adjusting journals entries are the posted to the appropriate account in the journal ledgers. This process update the account balance to reflect the effect of the adjustments. The trial balance after all adjusting entries have been posted. A trial balance is the prepared. The trial balance is a summary of all the account is the journals, ledgers, and their respective balance sheet is tool used to check the quality of the debits and the credits insurance that the accounting records are in the balance financial statement. Once the trial balance is verified and the confirmed to be the balance financial statements including the income statement, balance sheets and the statements of the cash flows can be prepared. The statement provide a comprehensive overview of the company financial performance and position. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there and our sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel until next question. Bye bye.